Okay, welcome back. So now we have discussed everything in Nextjs 15 video optimization like source, width, height, control, autoplay, loop, muted, preload. But one thing is we are lagging behind, and that is place inline. But place inline is based on the enable inline playback. It depends on iOS. So as I so it needs iOS setup. So iOS means iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone SE, like that devices. Okay, so it's tough to examine. So other than that, everything is done. So I wanna show you another new and uncommon thing, and that is say we are running our app in the localhost 3000 video optimization. So if we wanna run our localhost in the Android phone, I mean Android simulator, how can we do that? So I am using Vysor. You see our same app is running, same thing is running in the laptop and in my mobile simulator. So how can we do that? So instead of writing localhost 3000, what you need to do, this is for our laptop or PC, but this is for our if you want to run it in the in our simulator or Android phone. So where from you get this number, you need this number specific 192 160, but this is for me, but your number might be different. So where from you get it, you will go to the internet option and here and I. So this is the IPv phone number. This number is needed. So go to your laptop or desktop or PC and copy this number and make the URL like that. Okay, HTTP like that. Okay, video optimization. So I did the same thing. So I am showing you once again. I have copied this number. So if you run localhost, it will not work. Instead, you have to run this number, IPv4 number. Okay, let's see. Let's take a little bit of. So I am testing once again. It's taking a little bit of time, so it cannot be reached. But it worked. I have tested several times. So it worked. Sometimes it creates some problems, but sometimes it works. So I'm telling you what you need to do. So what we are achieving, we are running our local host app. I mean Next.js app, Next.js 15 app in our Android simulator. I am using Vysor. So you can use anything. So you should come to the Google Chrome and paste this address. So this number is making the difference. So from where you can get this number, you can get this number from here. You should come here, and this is the IPv4 number. Okay, so if you IPv4 number and make your URL like that way, it will work. So this is the full URL. So you will get your and localhost output, same in the Android simulator, and video is also working. Okay, so thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And from next tutorial, we will start another thing like iframe or anything else. So we will cover a lot of things and everything according to the documentation, and it will be a one-stop journey, A to G journey for Next.js 15. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. One stack TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days. but you will get $9 if the course is needed. You can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.